Welcome back to the Beef and Barnsey channel. Of course, I'm Barnsey, and we are here in Delaware, and it's in the cheetah, which is normally a urethane pattern, you would say, but 37 mils is going to change this up a little bit. But we've had practice session already. This is kind of what I'm looking at. And if you follow the rest of the stuff, you know I talk about balls being earliest to longest. This is what I'm starting with. This is probably the earliest ball I have. If I use this, I'm going to be standing on top of the gutter, IQ 78. From there, I go to a level. I'm actually going to drill one that's a lower pin, and we're going to kick it out. So it's going to be like 4 by 1 by 4, and that'll probably be a second ball. I'm going to go from that into reactive, and I may end up just skipping right in from this to this. But of course, I am max, earliest reactive ball that we own. If that gets to flat 10, the next earliest is going to be the FISBO, Physics Blackout. At this point now, I can start to curve it a little bit, and I can throw it at it. That core will still pick up early enough to make it where I can't throw it in the gutter, hopefully. And if that's the case, then it gives me more angle through the pins. New option, Equinox. This one's pretty smooth, and this is a week I really think this could work. If the front starts to hook and I get too much early friction there and it's wearing out too fast, I can go to this, and then that will allow me to get some shape down lane, but still can keep control of the short pattern. And then once they burn up, then I can go to my origin. Obviously, it's a strong one. I'm gonna be playing left to right, pretty steep, from probably around 15 and going to 2, probably sliding about 30. So pretty steep left to right. And at that point, you know, hopefully we don't have too many more games left. But that's what I'm looking at for the 2025 cheetah pattern in Delaware.
One other quick.
Yeah.
Just quickly go through the layout. So
Okay.
the Red Bull.
Red Bull.
78.
Yeah, let's see, that is a 5-inch pin for me. So it's 5 by 1.
Okay. So the short pin buffer, trying to get it to.
Yeah, you're trying to get it to pop a little bit. And with the urethane balls for me, I can make them pick up. So I'm looking for them to try and continue on their own a little bit more. If I want them to go straighter, I'll do that with my hand. This is 4 by 4 by 1. Again, we're at 5 by, actually it's not, that's 4 by 6 by 1. This is 5 by 5 by 2. 5 by 4 by 4.5. 5 by 5 by 2, and 4.5 by 6 by 2.
Okay.
So most things are tall for me. I'm always looking to create some more shape. I want the ball to do more shape, and I can control how much angle it does or does not have in the back end of the lane. So that's why most of my balls are set up that way.